What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope everybody's doing great. What are we doing today? So today's video, we're going to be installing some goodies that I have right here. Not this one. That one I'm going to leave it for another day. I'll explain later why. We're going to be installing this one down here. So let me show you guys what it is. Siempre se me olvida traducir, mi gente, pero bienvenido a mi canal. Bienvenido a otro video. Gracias por el amor que ustedes dan, tú sabes, comentando, dando like, compartiéndolo, tú sabes. No sé si lo hacen, pero estoy diciendo por si acaso lo están haciendo, tú sabes. Pero gracias a Dios estamos llegando a algo, tenemos más views de lo que teníamos cuando empezamos, gracias a Dios y a ustedes. Y nada, vamos a instalar un par de piezas que llegaron. Vamos a instalar 2 piezas de las que llegaron, que le he tenido la caja ahí. So, hoy, tú sabes, está un poquito frío, llegó la temporada fría, la buena. Ahora que vamos a andar jodiendo en la calle. Vamos a abrir esta caja para enseñar a ver qué es lo que es. Here it is, guys. Carbon fiber side skirts. They're not real though, they fake. I was gonna go with APR or one of those brands, you know, they're expensive, you know, this is gonna be outside the car there, so it's gonna probably break it. So I just went with these. These are from, I forgot the name, Extreme Store Online, I think it is. Side skirts, charge speed, the best style. I also have the lip over there, but the lip is gonna be put on after I take the car somewhere because I don't want to break it. It's pretty low, so I'm gonna just wait. I'll do what I gotta do with the car, then we'll put that lip on. But for now, let's just throw these on. They do look pretty good. So before anything, I gotta move up the car, gotta jack it up and take those side skirt extension that I have on right now. Oh, look at a rock on a rock. This look like salt. Nah, I don't know. Anyways, but let's take these off. We now have one side off. Just throw it right there. Probably I can take this side off. Yeah, I'll try to take this side off because the car's already in the air, so I'm gonna take it off. Alright guys, it's all done now. It was a headache to put them on. A big headache by myself. Cause you know, it's like fiberglass, so I can't move it around like with the poly that you can flex it and stuff. But this is straight. no way I can turn it around and bend it or whatever. I'll show you guys the other side. Here's the other side. Looks beautiful. I still got a ceramic coated so it doesn't get ugly. Yep. So we have this to install too. This is already ceramic coated from APR. I mean, they didn't do it. I have the like 2 weeks with this at the house already, so as soon as it got here, ceramic coated, has like 2-3 layers on it. You can see how shiny it is. So I'm gonna throw this on now. So there's a problem, because these don't fit in there. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to put a bag to see if I can tighten it up, or tape or something. Because I cannot reuse these, because I don't think they reach. Oh shit. They don't reach from here, you know, like holding the plate and all that together. So let me see what I can figure it out. Excuse the wind. There it is, guys. How I got the screws in, they're not tight, you know. I mean, they are tight right now. Now they tight. Can't even move them. They on there. So what I used was plastic from this bag. I cut a little piece full. I press it in with the bolt into the hole, and there they tight. Can't even move them with my finger. It's on there. It's on there. And I'm not getting this part, carbon fiber. I'm gonna leave it red. Only carbon down there, because everybody has both of them, this piece and this piece. So I'm trying to be different and just leave the bottom one. What you guys think? Should I put the front lip on today? Okay, bag, box. All right, guys, so it's been a minute. I was dealing with the headlights because this turn signal wasn't working, but now they're both working again. So yeah, I was working on that. Here's a final look of the car. No bumper on, but side skirts. Go to the back. Here's the rear now. What do you guys think? So that's gonna wrap up today's video, guys. Hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, show it to your friends. You know, it was a simple install. I mean, it wasn't that simple because, you know, side skirts, doing it by myself. It was a little pain in the butt, but it's alright, I got it. I'm gonna leave the links down below. So ya ustedes saben. Gracias por ver el video. Espero que les guste, comenten, compartan, enséñenlo a sus amigos, familiares, a quien sea. No fue tan fácil ponerlo, pero tú sabes, pues yo era el único haciéndolo, pero si hubiera tenido otra gente ayudándome hubiera sido más fácil. Pero al final lo hice. So. Voy a dejar, ¿cómo se dice? Voy a dejar el link abajo, no sé decirlo en español, el link, para que ustedes puedan conseguir la pieza que yo instalé hoy. So, ya ustedes saben, lo veo en la próxima. See you guys in the next one.